Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the conversion quality in the VLC application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. Then just scroll down until you reach the casting section. And here just click on the conversion quality button. And as you can see, there are 4 options you can choose from. So you can set for high, medium, low, and the lowest. So just click on whichever you want to choose. And then that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.